Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your data. Backup photos, contacts, and app settings to cloud or PC. Once done, make sure the battery is above 50% and remove any SD card or secondary SIM for safety. Next, open Settings, tap System and Updates, then Reset. You will see Factory Data Reset. Tap it to view what will be erased. This first actionable step starts the wipe and shows any linked accounts that may block reactivation if not removed first. You now handle confirmations. Verify the list of accounts and remove Huawei and Google accounts to prevent factory reset protection from locking you out later. When prompted, enter your PIN or password to authorize the operation. This confirms you have permission to wipe the device. Tap Reset Phone, then Confirm to begin. The system will display a progress screen while it erases apps, accounts, and user data. Once the wipe completes, the device automatically reboots into the initial. After reboot, you follow the setup wizard. Choose language, connect to Wi-Fi, and restore from your cloud or local backup if available. Make sure to reinsert your SIM and SD card, and then sign into your Huawei and Google accounts so apps and contacts resync. If the phone gets stuck at the Huawei logo, try recovery mode by powering off, then holding volume up plus power to enter recovery and perform wipe cache or reapply factory reset. Alternatively, connect to High Suite on a PC for recovery assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.